Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record the shows on the Spectrum TV application in 2026. So first of all, you need to open Spectrum TV application on your smart TV. After that, you just have to simply grab the remote, and here you just have to look for the option of the guide button. When you are inside your Spectrum TV application, you are also going to see the guide tab here on the top. So you can choose any of these options. Basically, you need to come here inside the live TV or the guide option. When you do so, it is going to show you all of the channels that are available here. So among these channels, you just have to look for that particular channel at that particular time, which you want to basically record. So after selecting it, it will going to turn blue. So if it turns blue, it simply means that you have selected it successfully. So after turning it blue, you just have to press OK. As soon as you press OK, you are going to see a pop-up that will say the button of record. So you just have to tap on the option of the record button, and as soon as you do this, if the show is currently playing, recording will start immediately. If it is an upcoming show, the application will schedule it automatically. For the series and the regular programs, you will usually see the options to record just one episode or record only one single episode. So you can choose whatever you want. So this is how you can basically set the recording. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.